Hey guys, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. As you can see behind me, my room is an absolute mess, and that is because I am packing for camp. I leave tomorrow. I probably should have started packing sooner, but it is what it is, and I'm doing a pack with me. Throughout the packing section, I'm also going to be giving tons of tips for packing for camp, and then at the end, I'm also going to give a list of everything you should pack. So I'll have timestamps in the description. There should be chapters all set up. Before we get started, here are today's shoutouts. Let's just get on with the video. So I'm going to camp for 2 weeks. Right here, I have my trunk. First tip, don't bring a duffel bag or a suitcase or something. Bring a trunk, nice and big, very sturdy. I just got mine from Academy, and you can get them off of Amazon. They're so great, and if you want, you can decorate them. I did that last year, but I'm not doing it this year just because I don't really care enough. I'm gonna start packing now. First, I'm going to pack all of my clothes. As you can see, I have a lot. I'm bringing 10 outfits, 3 swimsuits, 2 pairs of pajamas, some sweatpants and leggings, just in case you have to be inside or it's super cold or something, a sweatshirt, although I'm wearing the sweatshirt there, obviously socks, underwear, sports bras, and then some stuff for parties. For just your normal everyday outfit, pair them together beforehand so you don't have to worry about that, getting outfits out of your trunk, and then fold them and then roll them up. And then once you have them rolled up, just secure it with a rubber band. And then you have this little roll of your outfit. And then you can take tons of these and you stuff them in these packing cubes. The ones we have are called e-bags. And you can fit so many clothes in just one of these and take up very little space. So I'm gonna do that for all of my outfits. So I was able to fit all 10 of my outfits in here, and there's still some extra room. So definitely wrap them up and get a packing bag. It can save you a lot of room. Now I'm going to move on to my swimsuits, pajamas, underwear, sports bras, socks. I'm also wearing some leggings and sweatpants and some of my costume stuff and just all the other clothes that aren't my main outfits. I have all of my clothing stuff packed. There's all this, and I'm gonna put the towels in first. So I have 2 bath towels and then 1 beach towel. We don't really bring beach towels around in camp very much, even though we're constantly swimming. We just kind of air dry, but I'm bringing it anyway, just in case. I also wanted to show you this. We're allowed to bring a trunk and then another bag. So I bring this every year, which works as 1, a laundry bag, and then 2, a great way to store all my blankets and sheets and pillows. So those are all in here. My tip is, instead of bringing sleeping bags, bring sheets and pillows. They are so much comfier. And if you're there for a week or 2 weeks, it's definitely worth making your bed. And at my camp, everybody does that. So it's not even a weird thing. And even if you are bringing a sleeping bag, bring blankets because it can get cold at night. So I have this bag too. Okay, now time for shoes. First, obviously, I'm bringing some tennis shoes. I would bring 2 pairs, but I don't have any other shoes that I'm willing to get dirty, so I'm bringing these. Water shoes, definitely. If you're going in the lake, you're probably gonna wanna wear water shoes. And even if not, still bring them, because if you ever do any water activities, you don't wanna be wearing your tennis shoes for that. Shower shoes. Please bring shower shoes. Camp showers are disgusting no matter how nice your camp is, especially since multiple people are going to be showering in them in between cleanings. So just bring some flip-flops you don't care about. Shower shoes are a must. Now let's get into toiletries. I actually got this big bag that I've already filled up, but I got this to store all my toiletries, which is going to be so nice because normally I have to bring plastic bags and stuff, which aren't fun. So I'm just going to go through everything that's in here. Actually, look how nice this is. I got it off Amazon. I'll link it in the description. This pocket, I have just my brush, didn't put anything else in there. In the other side pocket, I have toothbrush and a toothbrush holder. Toothbrush holders are a good thing to bring, even if you have a nice bag like I do. Be on the safe side while you're traveling. Some toothpaste, and then in here I have some wax for my braces, and then I also have these toothpick things that are good to clean out in between my braces. In this front pocket, I'm actually not going to open it because it took me 5 minutes just to get it closed because it's pretty tight in, but I have my deodorant in here. And then on the actual inside, Up here I have hairbands and then small elastics. And here I actually got some hair glitter. This is a fun thing to bring. If you want to be super cool, bring lots of glow sticks or hair glitter or face paint or something for your whole cabin to have fun with. So I'm bringing hair glitter. I don't know if there's going to be enough for my whole cabin, but this is hair glitter that I can use. It's actually body glitter too, so I can put it on my body as well. And then in here, I have a lot of stuff. I have body wash, shampoo and conditioner. Under the body wash, I have a loofah. Over here, I have my razor and its case. Up here, I have my moisturizers and face wash. And then over here, I have some hair mist. And I also have some lotion and sunscreen that I couldn't fit into the bag. Medicines. I'm just bringing my allergy medicine and nose spray. Normally, I have like other vitamins and stuff I take, but I'm not gonna like worry about that too much at camp. But I am bringing my allergy medicine because I don't want to be like sneezing and my face being all itchy. So I'm bringing that. Letters. It's so much fun to write letters to people while you're at camp whenever you get a break time. Last time I ran out of letters and had to keep borrowing some from a friend. So this time I'm just bringing this giant pack. I know I'm not going to use all of them, but I'm just going to have it. I also have some stamps and then a list of addresses. I'm not going to show you any on here, but these are all the addresses of my family members. And if any of my friends write to me, I'll write back to them, but they'll have to write for me to write to them because I'm gonna have to use like the addresses on their letters first. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna grab a bag to put all this stuff in. Never mind, I just remembered I have this pack of letters that have my name on them, so I'm gonna bring these instead. Another thing I'd recommend doing is bringing a journal and writing about your experience at camp. I've done that for like 2 or 3 years in a row. I'm not doing it this year because, like I said, I've done it before and I don't think I need to write every single time at camp. But I definitely recommend doing that if it's like your first or second time at camp or if you've just never journaled about it. I also have a flashlight and some goggles. And I am going to church camp, so I'm going to bring my Bible, obviously. And then the costume stuff that I haven't already put in my clothing bag are this monkey and a cowboy, so I'm going to put these in as well. Now I'm going to pack my travel bag because I'm taking the bus to camp, which where I'm from, especially when we take like stops to pick up other people along the way, is like a 6-hour drive. So I'm going to pack that. I'm just going to use my little lemon bag, and I've already put in my journal and my pencil bag with some pens. I'm also bringing this stuff. I have some thread to make bracelets, and then I have these things if I want to use these to make bracelets. I also know how to just like make them on my water bottle, and then I have some mini scissors, so I'm just going to put these into a bag. Probably could use a smaller bag. I'm also going to be bringing my water bottle with me, but I'm not going to pack that just yet. And I'm also bringing a book. And then tomorrow, before we leave, I'm also going to pack some snacks and a lunch to eat along the way. Okay, to finish this off, I'm going to give you a list of things you should pack. Blankets or a sleeping bag, pillow and pillowcases, a jacket, a sweater or a sweatshirt. You may want a raincoat or a poncho. I'm not bringing one, but that might be something you want. Swimsuits, pajamas, bath towels and beach towels, underwear, socks, sports bras, some athletic leggings, sweatpants or jeans, shorts and t-shirts, tennis shoes, water shoes, and shower shoes, a laundry bag, sunscreen and bug spray, all of your toiletry items, so like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, razor, loofah, face wash, moisturizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, brush, hair ties, deodorant, feminine products, all that stuff. I think I said everything. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. If you have any party costumes, bring that stuff. Also, like I said, some body or hair glitter, face paint is always fun. Paper, pen, stamps, and envelopes for letters, a water bottle, and a flashlight. Anyways, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. For a chance to get a shout out, share this video with one or more of your friends and let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!